going on, everybody? Saturday, 1:30 in the afternoon. We got this whole wall area prepped and mulch ready to go. So you're gonna watch us throw this mulch down real quick and make it look good. All right. Back for more mulching madness for sure. We're only halfway through this occasion for our spring 2022 trimming, fertilizing, mulching season, getting everything prepared to look beautiful year round. We're almost ready to jump on those beautiful Skag mowers that we have and start striping this grass up and blinging these properties out all over town. Special thanks to my helper today, Chris, my weekend warrior, because my boys needed a break for sure. I'm not feeling like, I'm not real motivated to be out here, but only because there's so much going on, and I just picked up a whole lot more work that I have to squeeze into my schedule somehow now. We'll talk about that. Easy day, right? Nothing but throwing it like a mulch blower machine. Not much left. Thank goodness. I'm tired. Saturday. Can't wait to rest tomorrow. The sky is looking beautiful today. Definitely gonna get some clouds in the footage. So, on my schedule, I still have 6 jobs left to do. 5 of them are mulch jobs, cleanups, stuff like that on some large properties. And I have a large stone creek bed to install out there at the log home property that we did that beautiful job back in the wintertime this year. And yeah, let's think about the video I threw out about my parents' house and their landscape design and installation. It's been a few weeks since we took that trip up there to check that scene out. It's back there in the video somewhere. But they finally moved in and they're ready. They're ready to do it now. Like now. And I promised them I would, so I'm going to do my best to squeeze all this work into the next 2 weeks and 2 weekends before this mowing season starts. I don't think I'll be able to get to the stone work at the log home, but I'm betting on myself and my boys and my wife that we're going to get another tractor trailer load of mulch put down, and we'll remain on schedule even if we have to hit a few weekends into the mowing season to finish up. So, we was hoping to get done by 4 o'clock. I think we will. It's 3:15. So don't have much left here. A little bit in the very back. So, I got a question. And please leave it in the comment section below. Because I'm guilty. So guilty of this every single season. I just keep taking on work and taking on work and taking on work, just knowing that I want to do it and I want to accomplish it and I want to do these beautiful projects and homes. And I tell you what, I wear myself out. Like, I break down pretty hardcore in the springtime just getting all this work accomplished. Are you guys guilty of doing this too? My guess is you are. Let me know how much mulch you have lined up this year, or whatever you're into. There's plenty of other seasonal things going on right now. Leave in the comment section on what you guys are getting into for the next 4 to 6 weeks. I already told you we're gonna be cutting grass hardcore in 2 weeks, and some of them need it now. Whew. Tell you what, I look forward to my rain days just so I can rest my bones and my muscles. And tomorrow, I end up hanging out with my grandson on Sunday. I bought 2 amazing off-road monster truck RC remote control cars. We ended up going out to the park, hanging out in the sunshine and having a blast together. Definitely a wonderful day off. And I can't tell you, Chris, thank you so much, man. If I would have had to come out here by myself today, I would have done it, man, but wow, I would have been in a whole different mindset, and I would have had to start about 4 hours earlier. The amazing views that I am blessed to enjoy every single day out here make up for any other pain that I go through, for sure. This property here, like I said, we have transformed the entire place over the last 8 years. That entire huge mulch bed bank that you saw us mulch, once upon a time, that was about 3 feet deep of old English ivy from the bottom to the top. Yep, the entire thing was covered, and me and one of my amazing helpers, Eddie, like the best helper I ever had, long time ago, Fast Eddie, he came out here with me and we spade shoveled the whole root structure off the side of this bank, threw it in the back of the trailer, and then muscled it back out. Good memories. I'm glad it's nice and clean now. Love this property, man. Look at this view. Clouds were amazing in today's footage. Hey, much appreciation, everybody. Well, those clouds probably looked amazing on that footage. I'm sure I'll have fun editing the whole thing. It's like 4:20, time to go home. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Not bad. 1:30 to 4:30. 6 scoops of mulch. Be kind. Love each other. Peace.